Barely 2 weeks left in 2021, and the number of people who have died from COVID continues climbing. 1,200 lives being lost every day still. And Brandon Lewis from our Verify team decided to look into whether this year was the deadliest so far for COVID-19.
The World Health Organization estimates COVID-19 has contributed to the deaths of more than 5 million people. 1 in 6 of them were Americans. A Verify viewer asked us whether more people died this year from COVID-19 than in 2020. So let's verify. Have there been more COVID-19 deaths in the U.S. in 2021 than in 2020? Our sources are the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, Dr. Amesh Adalja with the Johns Hopkins Center for Health Security, and Jason Kinderchuk with the University of Manitoba. The CDC tracks deaths where COVID-19 was a contributing factor. In all of 2020, there were around 385,000 deaths. So far in 2021, as of December 10th, nearly 406,000 people have died due to COVID-19. So it's true, there have been more COVID-19 deaths in the U.S. in 2021 than in 2020. Researchers at Johns Hopkins found people took fewer precautions this year as pandemic fatigue set in, just as cases from more transmissible variants like Delta began rising.
Many people were still social distancing, wearing masks, being really meticulous. A lot of that has worn off.
Doctors also point out the U.S. has a lower vaccination rate than many other industrialized nations, which means the country is more susceptible to the worst effects of new variants, ultimately raising the death toll. With your Verify, I'm Brandon Lewis.
And if there's something you'd like us to verify, you can always email verify@12newsnow.com or direct message us on social media.